the eggs soft?
Soft?
Yes. Homo?
Ang ito.
Yes. Salamat.
After?
Diri.
Diri na kami.
Yes.
On.
Yes. What's up, guys? I'm on my way to the public market. Trying to find this calamari place. It's like big cups of fried calamari rings for 20 pesos, which is like 40 cents roughly. So I'm gonna see if I can locate that. They don't put addresses sometimes on things that you see on TikTok and Facebook Reels here. I guess you're just supposed to know where it's at. So I think I recognize the location. We're gonna see what we can find. I'm hoping the rain doesn't get me, but we're gonna catch a bus, maybe a motorcycle, and we'll see how it goes. See you in a minute. Bye.
Why would you ever want to get it done?
Oh, Siri. Whole entirety.
All right, so it started raining, but I went to the art gallery that's kind of near my house here in Lapu-Lapu. You can see, maybe we can get the sign. Yeah. The Lapu-Lapu Art Gallery near the Hoops Dome, which is right there. I'll get a shot of the inside. They have like sellers come and set up different tables. They have a tattoo artist that's doing tattoos for 500 pesos, which is about $9. Whee! I bought a matcha ice candy. I better eat it. It's starting to leak on me already. Let's get in this matcha and see how it is. That's very matcha. Very, very matcha. It's a cute little area though. They've done the art along the whole road here. All the way down. It's kind of where the main event area is for Lapu-Lapu. Like they do a bunch of pageants and stuff here. Ooh, very matcha. All right, I'm gonna enjoy this. Enjoy the aircon inside. Maybe look at some art, and then we'll see what else we can get into while it's raining. Bye.
Buwan ani day. Ya.
Can I have the eggs soft?
Soft?
Yes. Homo?
Ang ito.
Yes. Salamat.
After?
Diri.
Diri na kami.
Yes.
On.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am. going home now. The only things open after karaoke, which I went to after the art gallery, were ramen on the street, where they had pancit canton and egg for 40 pesos, which is about 80 cents. And then there was a burger place. Let me see if I can get a light. There was a burger place next door that had buy one get one burgers for 70 pesos, which is about $1.15. So I had 2 burgers with eggs on them and ramen with egg for about $2 total. So pretty good little feast. We're gonna go home now. It's raining on me. I don't know if you can see the drops forming on my head or on the camera, but we're gonna go home. We had some art, we saw some street food, we had some coffee at the art gallery. So we're gonna go home and sleep it off. Get up tomorrow, we're gonna go to Cebu, see if we can find some street food there. So see you later, bye.